Open our plugin in your Tally company. Go to Settings and fill in all the required information. There are various settings available to meet the needs of most users. Then, select the date range to see the data. You'll find all the order details in a tabular form. Click on the Start Import button to import the sales and payment entries in Tally. You can track the progress with the progress bar. In just a few minutes, this plugin can import data for an entire month. The plugin can automatically generate stock items and sales ledgers in Tally if they are not already present. It can import both domestic and export sales, along with all customer and order details, including various stock items and their respective selected options in narration. Say goodbye to the hassle and errors of manual data entry. Import all the information from your online store into TallyPrime effortlessly. Like, subscribe and get notified. Team Sellonboard by Design. Connecting sellers.